Exploring Indonesia's natural wonders, a journey into paradise. Indonesia, often referred to as the Emerald Equator, is a land of unparalleled natural beauty and biodiversity. With its vast archipelago comprising over 17,000 islands, this Southeast Asian nation is a treasure trove of stunning landscapes, pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and majestic mountains. Let's embark on a journey to discover the breathtaking natural wonders that make Indonesia a true paradise for nature enthusiasts. 1. Tropical rainforests. Indonesia is home to some of the world's most diverse and ancient rainforests. The verdant jungles of Borneo and Sumatra, in particular, are renowned for their rich biodiversity, including iconic species like orangutans and Sumatran tigers. These lush rainforests are a living testament to the intricate dance of life that has unfolded over millions of years. 2. Coral reefs and marine life. Beneath the crystal-clear waters that surround the Indonesian islands lies a world of wonder. The Coral Triangle, which includes Indonesia's waters, boasts the highest marine biodiversity on Earth. Vibrant coral reefs teem with colorful fish, turtles, and other marine creatures. Snorkeling or diving in places like Raja Ampat and Komodo National Park is like exploring an underwater paradise. 3. Pristine beaches. Indonesia's coastline stretches for thousands of kilometers, offering an abundance of pristine beaches. Bali's legendary beaches have captured the hearts of travelers worldwide, but there are countless hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From the powdery white sands of Lombok to the untouched shores of Sulawesi, Indonesia's beaches cater to every beach lover's fantasy. 4. Volcanic landscapes. Indonesia sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, a horseshoe-shaped zone known for its volcanic activity. This geological phenomenon has gifted Indonesia with a multitude of volcanoes, each with its own unique allure. Mount Bromo, with its ethereal moonscape, and Mount Rinjani, boasting a stunning crater lake, are just a glimpse of Indonesia's volcanic splendor. 5. Terraced rice fields. In regions like Ubud, Bali, and the Tanah Toraja in Sulawesi, you'll find breathtaking terraced rice fields that cascade down the hillsides. These emerald green landscapes not only sustain local communities but also create a mesmerizing visual spectacle for visitors. 6. Unique wildlife. Indonesia's isolated islands have nurtured the evolution of unique and endemic species. The fearsome Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard, can only be found on a handful of Indonesian islands. Moreover, the islands of Sulawesi and New Guinea shelter countless rare and exotic creatures, making Indonesia a biodiversity hotspot. 7. Cultural richness. Indonesia's natural beauty is inextricably linked to its rich cultural heritage. Many indigenous communities have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Exploring the unique customs, traditional art, and spiritual practices of Indonesia's diverse ethnic groups can deepen your appreciation for the country's natural wonders. In conclusion, Indonesia's natural wonders are a testament to the beauty and resilience of our planet. This archipelagic nation invites adventurers, conservationists, and travelers to witness and protect its stunning landscapes and diverse ecosystems. From the depths of its oceans to the heights of its mountains, Indonesia is truly a paradise for those seeking to connect with the wonders of nature. So, whether you're trekking through lush rainforests, plunging into vibrant coral reefs, or simply lounging on a secluded beach, Indonesia's natural beauty will leave an indelible mark on your soul. It's a place where the majesty and wonder of the natural world remain very much alive. Indonesia is not just a destination, it's an unforgettable journey into paradise.